Teddington was established to support businesses and the owners with positive legal support to manage the risks faced in today's commercial environment. Too many people only view lawyers as a last resort when things have gone badly, but we see that an effective business structuring, appropriate employment and contractor agreements, robust customer and supplier agreements all reduce the risks that businesses face. Let me give you an example of how we can help. We have a client, a company formed by a group of really bright young guys who knew each other at uni. They had a great concept and built a business together. Everything went along really well for the first 3 years, but when year 4 came along, the business is doing well, but one of the four went off the reservation. He was no longer pulling his weight, and for the good of the business, the other 3 wanted him to exit the business. However, it's never as simple as that, and the tricky part was he was a director, a shareholder and employee of the entity, and there was no shareholder agreement in place. There was no mechanism to determine what to do in this situation. There was no dispute resolution, or there was no idea even how to value the company. It was a real mess, and more importantly, it totally consumed the attention of the other 3 directors. So what do you think that does to the business? It loses focus, it loses opportunities, and costs are incurred. Now, in the highly competitive world we live in, this loss of time and money can be crippling. Having a shareholder agreement would have eliminated all this lost time and money. Ultimately, we hope clients never find themselves in a situation where they need to pull the shareholder agreement out of the bottom drawer. But we are pleased that if they do, they have something that they can rely upon that protects them and their interests.